Hello everyone. Question is, a company stores petabytes of data in thousands of Amazon S3 buckets in the S3 standard storage class. The data supports analytics workloads that have unpredictable and variable data access patterns. The company does not access some data for months. However, the company must be able to retrieve all data within milliseconds. The company needs to optimize S3 storage costs. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? Option A, use S3 storage lanes standard metrics to determine when to move objects to more cost optimized storage classes. Create S3 lifecycle policies for the S3 buckets to move objects to cost optimized storage classes. Continue to refine the S3 lifecycle policies in the future to optimize storage costs. Option B, use S3 storage lanes activity metrics to identify S3 buckets that the company accesses infrequently. Configure S3 lifecycle rules to move objects from S3 standard to the S3 standard infrequent access, S3 standard IA, and S3 glacier storage classes based on the age of the data. Option C, use S3 intelligent tiering. Activate the deep archive access tier. Option D, use S3 intelligent tiering. Use the default access tier. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a data engineer uses Amazon Redshift to run resource-intensive analytics processes once every month. Every month, the data engineer creates a new Redshift provisioned cluster. The data engineer deletes the Redshift provisioned cluster after the analytics processes are complete every month. Before the data engineer deletes the cluster each month, the data engineer unloads backup data from the cluster to an Amazon S3 bucket. The data engineer needs a solution to run the monthly analytics processes that does not require the data engineer to manage the infrastructure manually. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? Option A, use Amazon step functions to pause the Redshift cluster when the analytics processes are complete and to resume the clusters to run new processes every month. Option B, use Amazon Redshift serverless to automatically process the analytics workload. Option C, use the AWS CLI to automatically process the analytics workload. Option D, use AWS CloudFormation templates to automatically process the analytics workload. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a data engineer needs to use an Amazon QuickSight dashboard that is based on Amazon Athena queries on data that is stored in an Amazon S3 bucket. When the data engineer connects to the QuickSight dashboard, the data engineer receives an error message that indicates insufficient permissions. Which factors could cause to the permissions related errors? Choose two options. Option A, there is no connection between QuickSight and Athena. Option B. The Athena tables are not catalogued. Option C. QuickSight does not have access to the S3 bucket. Option D. QuickSight does not have access to decrypt S3 data. Option E. There is no IAM role assigned to QuickSight. Correct answer is option C and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.